Passing past corners that still breathe ghosts. Old faces and murals, I raise my toast to the ones that fell, to the lives they wrote. We the ink, we the page, we the antidote. I seen kids trade books for a pack and scale. Seen heaven hide deep in a cell block tale. The preacher said, faith don't fail, but when the rent due, even angels bail. I remember them nights with a pen and a lighter, plotting my escape, dreaming bigger, tighter. Now the stage got lights, but the flame burn brighter. Still the same block writer, just a sharper fighter.
All right, guys.
But it came with ghosts. Love turn envy when the bag get close. Fame ain't free, money ain't dope. Still trying to stay grounded when the cameras post. My reflection talk back like walking on the block. Them cold nights, hunger pains, prayers on lock. Now I'm popping corks where the sirens knock. But I never lost soul, just switched my stock. I still carry them lessons like hidden scars. Still write my truth over jazz guitar. You can polish your crown, but the paint still marred. From the curb to the charts, I became who we are. We ain't just survivors,
All right, all right.
architects.
Hi, guys. How are you? How is everyone? Hope it is okay. Hope everyone is moving on okay. How is everything?
Broken
Do
glass
tell
and
me about everything. Do tell me about how your day was, how your night was, how everything was. Yes, we are back again today. Brianna over here. Yes, please, Brianna, you're out over here. We are back again today with binary options trading. Okay, just a minute. Let me pick something here. Something.
every brick, every block got a story to tell. I ain't just rapping, I'm remembering. From broke dreams to gold schemes. It's that big vibe, baby. Let's ride. Yeah. Born when the sirens harmonize with the
All
waves.
right.
Mama praying, hungry, I was lost in the freights. Dreams on a clothesline, humiliation like a court case. No filter, no conviction. I was raised on the corners where the world don't blink. Learn money over mercy quicker than you think. School books traded for a pack and a link. Hope drown slow when that brown paper drink. But I wrote bars like scripture. Survival my religion. Every lyric a confession. Every verse a vision. Had to dodge fate. Play chess with decisions. Turned the pain to paint. Made my own exhibition. Through the struggle I still breathe. City on my back won't let it bleed. From the bricks to the sky I believe. Bricks and prayers, that's all I need. Through the struggle I still breathe. City on my back won't let it bleed. From the bricks to the sky I believe. Bricks and prayers, that's all I need. The skyline shimmer, but the scars don't fade. Success tastes bitter when it's pain made. Still see ghosts in the alleys I played, where the innocent dreams got hustled and betrayed. Every dollar earned got a name engraved. Every friend lost left my heart to pray. But I rise, yeah, I'm self-made and brave. Turn my downfall into the gold I crave. Still I reminisce them cold nights, no meal. Stepping over hope just to cop that deal. Now the mic my weapon, my wounds my seal. Every rhyme I drop, every line I hear. Through the struggle I still breathe. City on my back won't let it bleed. From the bricks to the sky I believe. Bricks and prayers, that's all I need. Through the struggle I still breathe. City on my back won't let it bleed. From the bricks to the sky I believe. Bricks and prayers, that's all I need. Now I'm looking down from a penthouse pane. Same block still whisper my name in the rain. I ain't changed, just rearrange the game, new frame. Same hunger in the flame, I move with ghosts. Tone, Mike and them. Still pour a little out when I toast to them. The fame don't fix what the nights condemn. It just magnify the scars. deep within, but I'm grateful. Every step paid by stress, every L was a test, every test success. So I breathe this truth for my chain on chest. A big spirit in the world obsessed. We built this from dust, faith and hustle. No silver spoons, just paper plates and perks. So when they ask what kept me alive, tell them bricks and prayers forever. Yeah. Every block got a story. Some written in chalk, some in chains, some in champagne. Me, I just write mine in pain. Let's talk about it. Born where the shadows teach survival and sin. Dreams die young where the sirens begin. Mama praying on her knees for the rent again. While I'm scribbling schemes with a pad and pen. No headset. Boy, don't trust that hope. But the game looks sweet when you broken cold. Steel toe dreams. Heavy lows we hold. Trying to turn them corner tails into solid gold. Fist full of change, heart full of rage. Notebooks filled with a prophet's page. I seen smiles fade and the lies get paid. But I learned how to rhyme my way out the cave.
That's what we are, shining bright, but we hide the scars. So the pain, we still go far, trying to find peace beneath the star. Broken gold, that's what we are, shining bright, but we hide the scars. So the pain, we still go far, trying to find peace beneath the stars.
Now the world got bigger, but the block still calls. Success tastes bitter when your day ones fall. I done walked through hell with my back to the wall. Now I sip on dreams, reminiscing on it all. Every dollar earned got a ghost attached. Every smile fake, every bridge got patched.
All right. Hi, guys. Hi, everyone. I'm sorry for the delay. I'm so sorry for the delay. I've been fixing some few things. Something was messing up with me, but then it's okay now. It is okay now. Hi, Rick. Hi, Henok. Hi, how are you guys? Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. So we are back again today with our binary options trading. We are back today with our binary options trading and another day, another live. Lovely to meet each and every one of you guys. Today I'm going to aim higher. Yes, today I'm going to aim higher. I'm going to aim for 20,000. I think this is the highest I've ever gone when I'm live trading. Yeah. So today my target is going to be 20,000. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I am for sure going to do it. So that all I'm going to focus, I'm going to make it a little bit of 30 seconds because I want to be able to open up trades, trades here and there very, very often. Yes, guys, we are back again today with our binary options trading, and today our trading amount is going to be. We're going to begin with. What is it? With 1,000 USD, and our trading pair is going to be Brent Oil OTC. Yes, and our amount is going to be 400, not 500. It's going to be 400. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining. Those who are new here, I'm Brianna. All I deal with is binary options trading. Lovely to have each and every one of you tonight. Yes, guys, and if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. On this channel, we do a little bit of opening a few trades, trading together, me and you, as we interact in the comment section. Feel free to ask me anything you feel like you would want to know. Feel free to ask. Yes, like today I'm aiming at 20,000. I feel like this is the hardest I've gone because I've always been around. My highest has always been around 12,000, 10,000, 12,000, 10,000. But today, watch me hit 20,000 US dollars tonight. Yes, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Those who are not yet subscribed to the channel, it's high time you subscribed. Yes, and those who want to use the same platform as I am doing right now, we are going to, okay, that is a great one. You're going to go to my what? You're going to go to my description. Yes, and you're going to find a link that takes you straight to the platform. Yes, the platform is called Pocket Options. That is my platform. And when you go to the link, you're going to when you go to my description, you're going to find a link that takes you to the what? To the platform. Just trade. Just go there, open up an account, and begin trading. Because why not? All I can say, just first begin with a demo account, and then we see how everything goes. So we are back again tonight. We are back again tonight. So guys, how is everyone? If you're having a night, how is it? How is it? Yes, I'm aiming for 20,000 tonight. Just lock in with me and see me hit the 10,000 tonight. But 20,000. But today I'm aiming for 20,000 US dollars. Let's begin. High patience. And after I hit it, I don't know how much I'm going to brag about it, but I promise I'm going to brag about it. Yes, please. My aim is 20,000. So let's see how it goes. Just you guys pray for me and stick around. Okay. Not a good start, but why not? Let us keep going. Let us keep going. Hi Shady Glorious. How are you? Thank you so much. Hi Patience. How are you? Lovely to have you guys here. Lovely to have each and every one of you here. Yes, please. So let's go. Let's go tonight. Let's see the 20,000 tonight. And those when you here, guys, not forget to subscribe to the channel. Please and please subscribe to the channel. We are aiming to hitting 1,000 subscribers in a few, and that will be very good. Yes, that would be very good for us because it's not been long since we created our channel, and if we hit 1,000 subscribers, that would do us good. And after that, I hope, and like I've been promising all along, I'm going to pin my what? I'm going to pin my Telegram. Yes, I think I'm going to pin my Telegram. So those who are with me, who want to see me the 20,000 like I promised, just stick around. Just stick around. And those like as we trade, you're free guys to ask me any kind of question you wish to ask me. Any kind of question you have, please feel free to ask. Feel free to inquire anything. I'll be able to reply to you if it is under my potential or my ability. And anything you'd want to see, if it's still also under my ability, I'll have no problem to showing it to you. Yes, guys. Yes. Otherwise, let us go. Let us go. Let us keep going. Let us keep it positive. Guys, you can drop a flag and tell me wherever you're watching from. I would love to know where you guys are watching me from. I think yesterday I had a lot. I think yesterday when gauging, I had a lot of South Africans. Yeah, I had a lot of South African people. So let me see today where you guys watching me from. Do tell me about your area. Do tell me about what's happening in your area. Anything, guys. Tell me. Fill me in. Fill me in. I would love to see it here. Yes, guys. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Not forget to subscribe to the channel. Not forget to hit that like button. Anytime we are on, guys, press the notification button. Anytime we are on, you get to know Brianna Trades is on. It's time for us to go and trade. Trade together. Yes. Hi, Nayaz. How are you? Hi, Nayaz. How are you? Hope feels good to see you again today. Guys, you can tell me wherever you're watching from. Just tell me I'm watching from here. I'm watching from here. It will be very lovely. Yes. Anyone who wants to see me the 20,000, yes, stick around. Yes, guys. And feel free to ask me anything in the comment section. Anything you feel like you want to know. Anything that you feel like you want me to fill you in. Yes. Those who want to know the platform I'm using, like I said, do not hesitate. If you want to begin trading using the same platform like I'm doing, just go to the link. To my description, you're going to find a link to the platform. And there you are. Create an account and begin. Nothing stops you from beginning. Nothing stops you from beginning. Yes, when you begin, I think everything becomes, not, I would not say everything becomes easier, but things just flow. Things just flow there, and then otherwise, let us keep going. Let us keep going. Those who are new here, I'm Brianna, and I would love it if you did subscribe to our channel. Yes, like every day here we have a target. Every day we have a target. I think every day I've been targeting 10,000. Sometimes we are able to hit it, the 20,000. I mean the 12,000. Sometimes we're able to hit it. Sometimes our time elapses before we hit it. That is how it has been going here, but today I'm so determined to hit the 20,000. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't know what kind of magic I'm going to use, but I promise. Ooh, okay, it was both. We both had that. Okay, it's okay. It's all right. We still focus. We still focus. We still keep it going. Yes, I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but because why not? It does not restrict me from setting a target. Like I said, guys, if you want to know anything about my trading journey, if you want to know anything about how I do it, in fact, if you want to know anything, please feel free to ask. Yes, please. Hi Maria. Hi Maria. Maria is like, why does this strategy slow in the chat? I don't know what you mean, Maria. I wish I could reply to you. What do you mean? How is it slow? How is it slow? Because I don't see it here. Yes. Yes, please. And what strategy do you mean? Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going, guys. Just stick around. For those who are new here, guys, it's Brianna, and what we do with this, what we do on this channel, what we do with is always binary options trading. Yes, binary options and binary options alone. I basically, yeah, it's only that I don't deal with crypto. I don't deal with any features, anything like that. No, 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 no. All we deal with is binary options trading. Yes, and if you're new here, you really okay. We sometimes here I always do the 1 minute trade, the 15 seconds trade, anything. But today I decided to do the 30 minutes, 30 seconds trade because I want to focus more on opening up. Because if I at all I do the 1 minute trade, our time will elapse before I reach my target. So that's why I try to minimize it a little bit so that I try to be able to open up as many trades as I can as before our time elapses. Oh, your chat is 15 seconds forward than yours. Okay, I've had a lot of that, Maria. I've had a lot of that. Sometimes people say maybe it's due to our different time frame. Yeah, people tell me that. Many people tell me that they're like, my chat is so like it's so in front of yours. What and what? I get a lot of that. I do get a lot of that. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Hi, Vinod. Vinod wants to see. Is it Vinod? Kumar. Okay. He wants to see my settings. Okay, a minute. Just give me a minute. As this trade finishes, I'm going to show you the settings to my moving averages and super trend settings. Just a minute. Let me see how this trade goes. Let us see how this trade goes. Ooh, okay. Okay, like guys, I said for me if I make a loss, if I incur a loss, all I do is all I do is blaming the market. I just feel like it was a bad market day because I feel like in the beginning I feel like I used to make a lot of losses than profits. So the only way to console myself in order not to quit, I just had to pretend like all was good. It was just a bad market day. And then yeah, with time I got better. So all you need to know, losses are part of the game, losses are part of trading, losses are part of any kind of business. Anyone can tell, any person with a business or any person who's a trader will tell like losses are part. I think I've got this a lot and I have nothing to do about it. The same question someone is asking in the comment section is the same as you're asking here, but I don't know what to say to you. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Like I said today, my target is 12,000. I mean, it's 20,000 US dollars. Let me just hope I hit it before my time elapses. Because sometimes I always even said, like, my target is 12,000. And I do happen to end my life without reaching it. But today I'm so determined. I was even like, let me reduce my time. Let me reduce my time from 1 minute to 30 seconds so that I'm able to open different amounts of trades, and today I have to make sure I hit that 20,000. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't know how I'm going to manage, but I'm hoping I do hit it. I'm hoping I'm going to be opening like two trades, one trade like that, just to increase my amount of trades because I feel like I have to hit 20,000 today. Yes, I don't know if I hit 20,000 today, I'm going to go and treat myself something. Anyone in the same area as me so that we can go together. Yes. Okay. Thank you guys for joining. Those who are new here, it's Brianna Trades. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like. Yes, and we are always live each and every day. We are always live each and every day. That is 6 to 8 East African time. That is 7 to 9. Yeah, those people in UAE. Yes, so if at all you want, you can try to compare with your time. What is 6 to 8 East African time? Try to compare and do tell me. And we are always live each and every day. And just for now, all we do just for now is a little bit of personal trading and interacting in that comment section. But with time, like I promised, with time, if I will do, I want if we do hit a different number of subscribers, maybe to 1,000 subscribers, 1,200 subscribers, I'm going to be able to pin my I'm going to be able to pin my Telegram account so that you guys we can interact there. Yes, so that we can interact, talk more. You understand? Eh? Yes, yes, that we're talking more. Hi, my Mithel. Yes, someone from Malaysia. I think you're the first person from Malaysia I've interacted with here. Yes, ever since I began live trading, you're the first Malaysian person I've seen. I'm not using a bot actually. To surprise you, I'm not using a bot. I think I've mentioned this for some time. People be telling me, yes, a bot is very, like very. A bot is very makes life easier, makes things life easier. This and this, telling me the importance of a bot. I'm like, maybe with time I'll introduce the robot, but for now, surprisingly, I'm not using a bot. I'm manually trading. Yes, I'm manually trading, but with time maybe I'm going to introduce the bot because I want to see how it works. But like I said, guys, I want to show off my skills somewhere, somehow. That's why I have not yet introduced a bot. I want to show off my skills, but then maybe with time I'll be able to introduce the bot. Yes, for someone asking me how they can follow me, how we can talk, how we can try to trade together. Just stick around for some time. Just subscribe to the channel, and we see. Someone is 7 more subscriptions. Okay, that is a good start. That is a good one. After we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to make sure I pin my Telegram. I'm going to pin my Telegram because what I wanted to do at the beginning is that I wanted to create some kind of trust where people can see me every day. They get used to me. That maybe they create a little bit of trust that we can talk, we can interact, things like that. Because you cannot just meet someone and be like, I'm going to trade with this one just out of the blue. You understand? So I wanted us to do a little bit of interaction. After some time, maybe I pin my Telegram, we talk more. Then after some time, maybe we can begin the donation part. Yes, but I didn't want to rush it. Okay, hi Simple. Someone is like, which broker are you using? I'm using Pocket Options, and the link to the platform is also in my description. Time frame, it is a 5-second candle. If you're very observant, you will see it. Yes, guys. So that is how I wanted us to do it. I wanted us to give each other time. Maybe, yes, each other time, and then we see how it goes. Yes, and those who are new here, guys, not forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like. If you have anything you would want to know from me, please and please you can write it in the comment section. Maybe a suggestion to something, maybe an opinion on something. Feel free to tell me. Like I said here at the beginning, I only wanted to open a few trades. Then as I do few personal trading as we interact more. Yes, guys, as we interact a little bit more. Okay, let's keep going. Those who are joining me for the first time, guys, I do appreciate the love. Hi, Mayega. Hi, Holland. I know, is it Harold? Harold. Hi, Harold. How are you? How are you? How are you? Feels good to have you here. Thank you so much for joining in. It's Brianna here. It's Pocket Arts Binary Options Trading going on. Yes, guys. So that's why I'm like, if you want to know anything, if you do want to ask me anything, feel free to write a comment, and you feel free to drop a flag and tell me where are you watching me from. It is okay. It is okay. Yes, like I said today, I'm aiming for 20,000. I am aiming for it. And after that, you don't know how much I'm going to brag about it. You don't know how much I'm going to brag, be telling people of how badass I am, how much skills I got. So let's keep it positive. So when we reach almost reach 75% the way to 20,000, maybe we'll reach like maybe 16, 17 there. I can switch back to our 1 minute trading. Yeah, when we reach 17,000, I can switch back to our 1 minute trading. I just reduced it here because I wanted us to be able to open as many trades as we can within a short period of time. Within a short period of time, and I wanted to make sure we hit our target today. But when we reach around 7,000, we can go back to our 1 minute trading. Yes, hi, Ma, and is it Akbar? Hi, Akbar. How are you? Thank you for joining, guys. Let us aim to hitting 1,000 subscribers in a few minutes to come from here. Ooh, this is not what I want to see. I don't want to see anything red here. I only want to see green because if it is red, it shows I'm not almost there. Yes, let me brag about me able to read this word. Someone is like, Salut, Sava. I feel so glad that I'm able to read this. You know, I had my French classes sometime over like 12 years ago. Yeah, like 12 years ago. That is when I last had my French class. So surprising that I can read Salut, Sava. And I can even feel like I can think of a what? Of a reply. Is it ça va bien? Is this how the reply to is ça va bien? Something like that. Yes, I had my French classes some time back. I've had a lot of language classes. Unfortunately, I don't recall a lot. I had my Swahili class. My latest class was a German class, which for that one I'm kind of doing better. I had English class. So we so much focused on English class, French class, German class, Kiswahili classes. But for now, I can only consider two. And even I tried to learn Arabic. So it feels so good that I'm able to reply to the service server. I'm sorry about bragging. What can I do? Hi, stream. How are you? Someone from Pakistan. Okay, I love the love. By the way, says Zain. Oh, okay, Zain. Zain. What does Zain mean? Please fill me in. Let me hope I'm not saying bad words here. But Zain feels so good. Someone like, yes, I don't know so much of Kiswahili, by the way, to be honest, though I had Kiswahili classes. Yes, I remember Habari, Missouri. I had a few classes. I feel like I had a few classes for Kiswahili. I had so many classes for Kiswahili, but that was some good time ago. That was some good time ago, but I think I can still recall a little bit of Kiswahili. Yes, a little bit of Kiswahili and a little bit of French. But for German, a little bit, a little bit more. Missouri, yes, Missouri means like yes, yeah. I know it. I don't speak French. I said I don't speak French, but I did have classes. I did have my French classes for some, for by the way, for some good time. I think ever since like grade 5 to like grade 9, 10, yes, to grade 11. No, no, grade 10. Yeah, grade 10. I was having my French classes, but then my interest was a little bit low. As you know, when you're still a kid, you're not so much bothered about life, about languages. You just study to pass exams. Yeah, so that's why I don't recall so much of French and so much of Kiswahili. Maybe when I was older, like when I was around 22, 23, 21, there, that's when I had my German classes. That's why I feel like I recall more German because I was a little bit of an adult than when I was younger, when I did my French classes and all. Yeah. So any German speaker here to challenge me, please do. Do not use a lot of complex German, please. I cannot do a lot of that. And for the Kiswahili, you can also use a little bit of it, the simple part, the basic parts. Yeah, for Kiswahili, I can do the basics. French, I can just do greetings, the bonjour, bonsoir, bon après-midi, things like au revoir, things like that. Yeah. For Kiswahili, I don't know about, I don't recall so much, but I can do a little bit. Yeah, for French, not so much. Guys, may I tell you tonight, I'm hitting 20,000. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm aiming for 20,000. Just pray for me. It's not that no more. Hey, someone is like, hello, Vivia Daintag. Good. Yeah, good. They say I don't know if I can pronounce my articulation might not be good, but I can say mein Tag war sehr gut, something like that. Is that good? Guten Abend. You see, I told you. Guys. I told you I can do it. I know a little bit. Yes, someone is Guten Abend. Guten Abend. How do they reply to it? Guten Abend. Or what Danke schön, something like that. Yeah. You see, guys, like I said, someone is like, is what did I say? 9 is like 9. No. What did I say? How can I say it? Wie kann ich sagen? Something like that. Wie kann ich sagen? How can I say it? I don't recall so well. Okay. But I did attend my classes. Someone is like, you said, what about 20K? I said, today I'm going to make sure I hit 20K. Yes, I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't know if my time will be, I don't know how I'm going to do it. But today my target is going to be, no, I did not start with 20K. I did not start with 20K. Like always, okay, let me explain to you. For me, always, I always have a target for the day. But for the first days, I've been like, I'm going to hit 10K. I'm going to hit 10K. I'm going to hit 12K. But that was like, let me challenge myself with big amounts and see how far I can go. So that's why today I was like, oh, let me what? Let me focus for the 20K. Yes, let me aim for the 20K. Yes, please. So is there someone else who wants to challenge me when it comes to language? Hmm. Or I don't know what. Hi Nilsson. Hi Askai. Hi Kusho. How are you, Kushori? I don't know if I pronounce your name very well. I don't know. Hi Joel. Hi Nilsson. Joel is asking how many years of experience. It's not a lot. It's not a lot basically because let me bet that is from 2023 in February. But 2023 I was on and off when it came to trading. Yeah, I was on and off. So 2023 I was on and off. Maybe my solid years could be 2024 and 2025. 2023 I was, yeah, I was there. Yes, hi Sarah. Someone is like, uh, is it God? I found God. Someone's like, do you know Tamil language, the oldest language? No, I do not know the oldest language. I don't know it. Like I just mentioned, the languages I know. I don't feel like I'm 100% fluent. I'm not even 30% fluent. I just took classes. You know, taking classes of a language, it's not like the same thing where you interact with the native speakers. It's not the same thing, you guys. You cannot tell me that you're going to go to class and get to know everything within 2 years. Needs a lot of interaction, what. But for me, I just took classes. I took classes, I think, for French. I took classes, I don't know until what level. For German, I took A1 to B1. Yes, that is my level. I took until B1. I don't know so much. I don't know about that. Yeah. Let me try to see something here. Let me see, you guys. My okay. Okay, someone is like, okay, please. Okay, I'm going to describe the indicators. I am going to do it. I am going to do it. How do you know when to buy or sell? Okay, someone is like, I'm going to. I don't know. I will not promise you. I'll not promise you about trying to learn. So I feel like these days I kind of don't have a lot of time. Before I had a lot of time to invest in language, learning a new language, but now I'm kind of fixed. Maybe after some time, if I do make some good money, now I cannot promise to invest in a new language because I feel like even the languages I invested in before, I forgot all of them. I just know how to greet. I don't think I can count to 20. That's why I cannot promise. Maybe I can promise to learn a little bit of greetings. So someone is like, what indicators I'm using? Basically, for me, my indicators don't show me much. They don't show me much. Maybe they help me to identify the trend, like how is the trend going. That is all, but they don't show me. So unless I'm using a very limited trading time, maybe like 5 seconds, that's when the indicators do help me a lot. But they don't help me a lot. They just help me to show me how that trend is going. Since, like guys, I said, for me, I always use the support and resistance strategy. So it is very important for me to see how the trend goes. Okay, so that's why I so much appreciate the indicators. They show me how the trend goes. Since my strategy involves a lot of identifying how the trend is going, but otherwise, guys, otherwise not so much. Okay, for the indicators not do so much. And someone was like, what other question was it? Was talking about the indicator. Did you want to say, okay, let me show you my indicator settings? Maybe that is something I could do, but they don't do so much for me. I only use them if I'm using very limited time, like if I'm using like 15 5 seconds, 10 seconds. But most of the times, you guys, if you realize I'm using from 1 minute, so I cannot just base on the indicators alone. Yes, guys, I'm almost there. I told you today I'm going hard. I don't know in what way, but I'm going hard today. I'm going so hard. And since I'm having a down trade, yeah. So someone is like, how do you know how to buy or sell? Basically, if I'm using a big mini, like if I'm using my strategy, I just look at the markets. I just look at the market because there are times where I use the trend so much. So I always use my strategy that support and resistance, whereby I look at the trend level. I mean the trend. How is the trend going? Sometimes we could have a trend for over like 20 minutes and it's a downtrend. So I keep on buying. That is how I see. If I'm having an uptrend, then I'm going to keep on selling because it can go even over for 30 minutes. So that is how I do it. I don't complicate life. Yes. My time frame it is a 5 seconds. 5 seconds, you can see it. Someone is using, why did I choose binary? I chose binary because I was so surrounded by binary, and the people the traders I know are doing binary, and the first trader I met was also a binary trader. So I think I got so exposed to binary knowledge more than forex. So I feel like it is like, what, like as a kid, when a kid is growing up seeing different kind of things, that's what they're going to adapt to. So me, the first trade I saw was doing binary. So I was exposed to a lot of binary knowledge than forex. That's how I I got into binary trading, because my friend who led me into trading was a binary trader. Even the friends around him were binary traders. So that is what I got. That's what I got open to. So hi Edward, thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for joining. Those who are seeing me for the first time, thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hi to Star. How are you? Hope you're good. Okay, let us keep going. Let us keep going. Let us keep it moving. Let us keep it moving. All right. So, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Someone is asking. Yes, I do. I do withdraw. I do receive them on time. On time. I've not yet found any complications when it comes to pocket options. I don't know about you guys. Do tell me about it. Have you got any kind of complications or not? Hi, Amog. How are you? Rafaela, how are you? If you found any kind of complications, please throw some light, because personally I have not gotten more any kind of complications on my side. Not so many. Yeah, not so many. And not that I'm not I'm always trading for, I only trade for 2 hours a day, so I've not yet gotten so many complications. So if you feel like you've gotten some, please let me know. Okay, guys. So, guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Like I said today, I'm not Nigerian. I'm not Nigerian. I'm not Nigerian. I'm East African. Though I'm not in East Africa right now. Okay. Someone's like, which broker I'm using? I'm using Pocket Options, and the link to the platform is also in my description. You can check it out. I'm not Nigerian, so someone is asking which broker are you using? I'm using Pocket Options. Yes, please. Someone is like, yes, Edward. Yes, you're very right. Yes, you're very right. Okay, let us keep going. Let us keep going. I just hope I hit my target today. I don't know about time. I don't know about time. Let me. But we've been almost halfway there. Although we lagged back a little bit, but we were almost there. Strategy, support, and resistance. Yes, dear, support and resistance. And my indicators, no, I don't have a promo code. My indicators, someone's like, do you have a promo code? Do I need to have a promo code to like want you to join something? Or no, I don't have a promo code. I'm not actually doing any kind of promotions for the platform, if you're wondering. I'm not doing any kind of promotions for the platform, because no, I only tell you that because I feel like a lot of people ask me about it. That's why I tagged it. Yes, a lot of people ask me about it, and for me, I don't care about giving you, like telling you. I will not like shy away. I'm not shy away about like with it, or I will not hide it from you. Telling me the platform, showing you my settings. For me, I don't mind. So that's why I easily tell someone. Yes, you're not seeing the support and resistance because I feel like it's a limited time. And like I said, for me, when it comes to this limited time, it's more predictable for me. But if you've been here for some time, you realize that when we adjust our time maybe to a 2 minute trade, 3 minute trade, 4 minutes, it is easy. You can see me using the support and resistance. But if you see me adjusting my time to 50 seconds, it is very easy. It is very easy for me to predict. I don't know about you. It is even easy for me to predict using my indicators. Yeah, but if I'm using a larger trading time, that's where I get that problem. That's where I have to analyze a lot. Yeah, but that is it. A lot of people trading a binary or is promoting the platform. No, I don't because I don't actually. How I wish how I wish I was paid to promote it. How I wish I was paid. I think I'm going to look into that. But I'm not paid to promote it, unfortunately. I'm not paid. I just pinned it there because I had a lot of questions initially Well, at least people who have been here for some long time know that I had not pinned it in my description. But when I got a lot of people asking me how do I join the platform, how do I, then I was like, because why not? Let me just pin it down for them. But I'm not paid. Yes. Hi, Altek. How are you? Hi, Vishun. How are you? Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It means so much to me. It means so much to me. If you're joining, if someone is asking how what, that's why I told you when it comes, I've been saying it, when it comes to what to these short terms, I always just use my indicators. Like I said, it is so predictable for me when it comes to that, so I just use my indicators, and all I do is don't trade against the trend. I just use my indicators, that's all. I just use my indicators. Yeah, I just use my indicators. A minute, hold on. A minute, guys. Let me fix something here. Then I'll be back. All right, let us keep going. Someone is too much invested. All right. Sorry. No, actually, okay. I mean, someone's like getting some commission. I'm sorry about that. I was kind of off. Someone's like getting some commission. Yes, I didn't know so much about the promotions and getting commission on promoting the platform. But since now I know, I'm going to go ask. I don't know how to do it anyway. I don't know how to go ask for commission and all that kind of thing. But I think I deserve one. I've not yet actually put I have not yet put so much focus on my target of hitting like 50K in just one, like, because for me I only trade for less than before. Actually, I used to only trade for 1 hour, like that. I've just adjusted to 2 hours, so I always used to focus on 20, 30K, 10K. I think maximum I've always focused on in a trade is always 30K, and that's all. And that is all basically. I've not yet tried to so much focus on hitting, but I think I'm going to wake up here one day and I'll be like, today I'm focusing for 50K. I'm aiming at 50K in that night. I think I'm going to do it. Just stick around. My internet is a little bit lagging.
Born in the shadow of the high-rise blocks. Mama working double shifts, talking about stocks. Daddy never home, life's paradox. Grew up counting pennies, dodging cops. Lessons in the cracks of the pavement talk. How to hustle hard, how to move, what life costs. Every loss in the streets, every friend I lost. Turn my pain into bars, yeah, that's my sauce.
Eyes on the prize while the sirens sing. Life was a gamble, every step a pain. Still I wrote my truth, let my soul hang. Concrete dreams in the city claim. Concrete dreams, we rise through the night. Street lights glow and we fight for the light. Every scar, every tear in sight made us kings in the city tonight.
Now the block whispers secrets in the dark. Every hustle measured, every move a spark. Lost some brothers, some fell apart. Some found the fame, some just left they mark. Money and respect never came the same. Learn that the streets don't play no game. Trust is fragile, loyalty to flame. Grew from the struggle, made it part of my name. Late nights, cold air, hard, heavy, be steady. Grew wise from pain, at my grind ready. Every rhyme I spit, my past confetti. Concrete dreams turn gold, holding the melody.
Concrete dreams, we rise through the night. Street lights glow and we fight for the light. Every scar, every tear in sight made us kings in the city tonight.
Now I'm looking back from the corner penthouse. Same streets whispering, still hear the sound. The fame, the money, the lights that's around. Can't erase the echoes of the battleground. Still pour a little out for the ones gone. Lesson learned from the nights long. The crown is heavy, but I stay strong. Concrete dreams live forever in my song. We built from dust, sweat, and prayers. Every block, every struggle made us aware. Concrete dreams ain't just survive. It's how we thrive.
I'm sorry, guys. Today my internet is really lagging. I don't know about you guys. Okay. Can you explain the use of trades you're taking, please? I don't understand that. Sam, I don't understand your question very well. Please, what are the settings of your indicators? I'm going to show them to you. Hi, Joktab. Hi, everyone, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Joktavi. Hi, how are you? Hi, everyone. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you the settings. Hi, Kami, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for joining in, guys. You're very welcome. You are so much welcome. It's Brianna over here. A minute, let me just open here this trade and then we are continuing. Hi, Japad. Hi, Gerard. Gerard. Hi, how are you? Guys, thank you so much for joining. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Yes, those one new here, please and please subscribe. And all you have to know is we are always live each and every day. Oh, someone is like, I've reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I've not yet checked. I'm going to little bit check. Thank you so much. Saying to share something we can play with. Like what? Like what? Okay, so let me. Someone wanted to see my settings. I don't know how I actually even forgot to see how that went. Okay, these are my settings. Can you see them? Okay. Here, that is super trend. And if you do want to see the moving averages one, here they are. Yes. Let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Okay. Okay, someone wants to know how I'm using it. So like guys, I said if I'm using the indicator, like now for now, if I'm using the indicators, or like I'm using 15 seconds, I'm going to use the indicators. Now we're going to say um let's say now our moving averages is set to 50. Okay, so let's say our moving averages is set to 50. So what we shall do, we shall determine like price. If the price is above the MA, like the moving averages, that will call for a buying. And if it is below the moving average, is only looking for a put. That's when I'm going to sell. You understand? If my MA is like set to 50, so I'll be like, if the price is above, I'm going to buy, and if it is below, I'm going to sell easily. So what is my time frame? My time frame is 5 seconds, and my expiry today is set to 30 seconds. Okay. So any other question? But most of the times, if you're here and I'm like, we are going to do, like I said, if we hit like 17,000, I'm going to go back to 1 minute trade. That's where my strategy is going to come in. That's where high odds, hi Odime, how are you? I'm going to go back to the support and resistance. With the support and resistance, I always use that trend. Like always, my indicators basically don't show me when it comes to support and resistance. They only show me that trend. They don't help me so much in determining what I'm going to do, because you see, they always show you what has happened already. They do not show you what is going to happen in the future. So they always help me, like you're seeing, this one is done for moving averages, the lower one. So it will always show you how it has been going. So if it has been going up, it will be like sell. That is where my trend is going up. So I'm going to call in for, it's going to call in for the buying ones. And if it begins moving down, it's going to show me that it's going to call it's called I mean if it's the trend is going up, it's going to call for the selling ones. When it's moving down, it's going to call in for the buying ones. I hope it's that easy. Someone is like, what settings are my settings for the indicators? I'm going to show them to you. Just give me a minute. I'm going to show them to you. I've been showing them for some time, but I don't mind showing you again. Okay, I feel like now we are halfway there. We are even past halfway the 20K we were focusing on. Yes, today I said I'm going to focus on 20K. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but like I'm going to focus on the 20K. You know why I'm buying? You know why I'm buying? Yes, because you see it moving up, so you're going to see me focusing on so much on buying. So someone who wanted to see my settings, super trend, and these are the ones for moving averages. Okay. Okay, let's go. All right, let's keep going. Hi, Risan. Hi, everyone. Guys, thank you so much for joining. It feels so lovely. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining in today. Like guys, I said, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to like. Let us keep it moving. Let us keep it moving. Today, I just want to hit 20,000. I just want to hit 20,000. I don't know. I don't know about you guys, but today I just want to challenge myself to hitting 20,000 in just this limited amount of times.
Every block got a story, every shadow Life is lessons, streets where my laws record a corner prophets talk. But I wrote my own pages, survived cold nights, dodged the system cages, lost some real ones. Love turned to rages, turned pain into bars, wisdom through the ages. Cashed in, dreams thick, mind always scheming. Sirens sing lullabies while I stay dreaming. Block taught me patience, loyalty, and mean. And concrete made a king, every word gleaming.
Concrete kings, we rise through the night, walk through the fire, reaching for the light. Every scar, every tear
Okay, let's go.
made us
Something wrong with my network. Something terribly wrong with my network.
Voice in my chest, every alleyway a lesson, every struggle a test. Lost some day ones, kept the real ones blessed. Every move calculated, never second guess. Cold nights,
Okay, I'm sorry about that. My network is a little bit on and off, but let's go.
trust is currency.
Someone is like, okay, hi, Amo. How much was your first deposit today? It was 1,000. Hi, Simio Invest. Hi, how are you? Hi, Odi. You didn't see, I say, you didn't see the settings. I showed them, but let me show them to you again. So it is, I think it is, our period is set to 10. Yes, it is moving. It's simple moving averages, not E, not the exponential. It is simple. And here are the styles. Okay. All right. Let us keep going, guys. Let us keep going. I think we are almost there. Like I promised, if we reach like around 17,000, we're going to switch back to our 1 minute trade. 1 minute trade. Like our expiry time is going to be set back to 1 minute. So let's keep going, guys. If you have any questions, please, it is okay. It is okay. And if you have any opinion on anything, feel free to put it. Feel free to point it out and tell us this. We are very welcome. Yes, today. I don't know if I'm hitting it. I'm just doing it. Like I promised, like if I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do pin the Telegram. So I'm going to pin it. I am going to pin it. I'm going to pin it in my description. Yes, I'm going to pin it in no time. I was just waiting for some time because I wanted to create some kind of community where you guys are able to trust me. Maybe we talk and all that. Yeah, but I'm going to pin it. So let us keep going. Just stick around, subscribe and stick around. I'm just going to pin it in no time.
every block got a story, every shadow got a
Okay,
you survive.
let us go. Let us go.
Welcome to the streets.
You guys, I was telling you to challenge me, when it comes to language. Not all language, just the basic ones. The ones they study in class. Yes. Just check out with me how like I said, I only did a little bit of French, a little bit of Kiswahili, a little bit of German. For English, I'm very fluent. I'm very fluent in English. Then a little bit of French, the basics. Actually, the basics. Then German, the basics. I could do the basics. In Swahili, I think I could do the basics. Yeah. And so feel free to challenge me and we see. I can translate and see if I can translate what you mean. Just challenge me. Okay. So far not so bad. Mambo is like hi. Not so Edward Mambo. Hi. Mambo. Oh, thank you. Yes, please. Okay, I think I've just hit them to David. That someone is like, you've hit the 1,000 subscribers. That is today. That's why I'm like, I'm going to pin it in no time. Asante, thank you. Asante sana. Asante, thank you. Asante, thank you. Thank you so much. Asante sana. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Someone is like, Asante sana. Hi. Someone is like, can you take us through the trade so that we understand what we are seeing? All right about that. Okay. But basically, I'm not doing so much here. I'm just doing just a little bit of personal trades. Someone is like, what indicators are you using? Um, Someone, okay, so my indicators are super trend, say a super trend and moving averages. And for now, I'm so much focusing on. Right now, I'm using so much of my indicators, so they do show me how the trend is moving. And if I'm having like a downtrend, I'm going to sell, and if I'm having an uptrend, I'm going to buy. Basically, that is it. That is what they show me, because now they will show me how it has been moving for the last like 1 to 2 minutes. It will show me that we've been having a downtrend, you understand, or 1 to 2 minutes that it's been going up. They will show me, and that is when I'm going to decide, am I buying, am I selling, you understand. That is how I do it. And like I said, this less time for me, it is easy to predict. It is easy to predict. Like if I'm having it going on, what, like if I'm having it going up for so long, it will be easy for me to just be like, now let me buy. You understand? If I'm having it going down for so long, I just be like, now let me sell, because it is kind of easy for me to predict. Yeah, unless at the beginning it was not easy. That's why in the beginning I used to focus so much on the, like those 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 trading time for so long, like around 5 minutes, because then it would take me time to read about the trend, to see how that analyze the trend. How is it going? Is it going up for some time? Is it going down for some time? Do I have to buy? Yeah, that is when I used to have use that long minutes. So it was kind of easier for me. I feel like when you're beginner, it is easier to use the long minutes, the long time expiry date, like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. It just helps me around, like when to buy, when to sell, because it gives me time to read the market. Like for example, what can I say? Like for example, when was it? Was it on Sunday? On Sunday we had a downtrend going on for over like 30 minutes, and then that day we are trading like one like it was 1 minute to 2 minutes. Yeah, we were trading for like 2 minutes. Like our trade expiry time was 2 minutes, and we are having a downtrend. So since I so much focus on the trade, all I was doing is buying for the longest time. I think I was only buying for like 30 to 40 minutes. I was only buying. For me, I only use that trend if I'm having a downtrend, so I'm just going to keep on buying. I just look at the trend, and that's all. But this if I'm set to less minutes, it's easy for me to predict. I just use my indicators. If if it's going up like this, all I will do is sell. If you've realized I've been selling for some time, I just follow my indicators and keep on selling. Or if it's going down, I keep on buying. That is all. Yeah. Someone is like, my settings, okay. I think this is what I've been doing today. I've been showing settings indicators, but it's okay. Here they are. Jacob, here they are. Okay. Those are the ones for super trend. Okay. Someone is asking if they can trade live. I trade live. Like this is personal trading, but is I just like I said, I've already said. For now, what we shall be doing is personal, just for now. Then with time, we are going to introduce a little bit of like complexions where we're going to be able to trade together. That is in the near future, like 1 month from now, or less, or even less than that. Okay, or even less than that. That's when you're going to be able to trade together. But for now, just these few weeks or few days, I'll be able to communicate. Just stay around, and I'll be able to communicate that tomorrow we are going to begin our donations or this and this year. But just for now, we are going to be doing personal trading. No, I did not go to a binary school. In fact, I don't even know one. I don't go to a binary school. Like, but I feel like I've been telling this story for the longest time. I learned this from a friend. Like when I moved back home, I it is okay, it is okay, Jacob, it is okay. Uh, I learned from a friend, from my friend when I moved back home. I learned from a friend who was doing this kind of trading. So he was there for me. I feel like for him, he's kind of very, very, very good. I don't know how he does it, but he's really good. So when I moved home, I didn't have what to do, and I was all idle. I don't have a job. I don't have this. I don't have this. So that's how I went into trading, but I did not go to a school. Maybe some of the things I used to use, like the things he recommended to me, maybe it was the other book called Baby Pips, that one, and also there is some channel on YouTube. The guy is called Brave Trading School. Yeah, he did a part of it. Yeah, I used to watch a lot of his videos and all that. Yeah. Someone is like, are you friends to Marcus? I feel like this is not the first time I've had this. This is the third time someone is asking me about Marcus. And guys, I don't know Marcus. You ask him if he knows me. I don't know Marcus. This is not the first time. Someone's like, yeah, you look alike, what and what, but I don't know him. I don't know him, but no, for now I know him because I've searched about him since I've got so many people asking me about him. Then I went, looked up him, but then I don't know him. Like on a personal basis, no, we don't know each other. But I've seen him on YouTube and all that. Yeah. Okay. Hi everyone. This pocket option. Yes, please. It is pocket option. It is pocket option. Yes. What makes you think I know Marcus? What makes you think I know Marcus? Because I feel like people are relating me to him, but no, I don't. On a personal level, I don't. Yes, I think yes. Even someone has also told me you and Marcus are using the same strategy, same what. I mean, someone was like you use the same indicators and strategy, but I don't know. I promise, I don't know him on a personal level. But if about YouTube and what I've watched his trades, yeah, I've watched them, yeah, but I've never met him or something like that. Thank you for asking. Hi together. Yes, I've had it. I've had it. So yes, I've had the same. Like as you're saying, like someone is like you. Someone else actually was like you look alike. Oh, what is happening? We are halfway our time, and then it is the market is like turning against me. No, please, not today. I don't know if I'm talking too much and forgetting about that trade. You guys, I'm focusing on 20,000, but I don't know if I'll be able to hit it before my time elapses. I feel like I'm not yet there. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Okay, let me keep going. Okay. What time frame are you using? It's a 5 second. Where are you from? I'm in Abu Dhabi right now, but I'm not an Emirati, definitely. I'm an East African, but I'm in Abu Dhabi right now. Can I be your student? We not yet, but you can stick around. I'm going to when I pin my Telegram, we can interact and talk more. Okay, and talk more. Yes, and talk more. Okay. I'm going to check out Marcus. I'm going to maybe inbox him. I'm like, hey brother, someone is people are like we look alike, how do we know each other and all that and see what he says. Okay. Hi Andre, how are you? How are you? Okay. Guys, I don't know. Guys, what do you think? Do you feel like we are going to be able to hit that 20,000 we wanted to hit? Because I feel like ever since we've not yet crossed 12,000, have we? We've not yet gone up. We're just 12,000 going back down to 10, 12 going back down to 11, just there. We've not yet hit it. I don't know why. Not even like our 17,000, which we hoped for. We've not yet reached it. Okay. Now, finally, we've reached 13. I'm going to show you someone's like Ocean is like what are the settings for the moving averages. I'm going to show them to you in just a few minutes. Just stick around. I'm going to show them to you because I feel like every after 5 minutes I'm showing them. Every after 5 minutes I'm showing them. Hi, James. I don't know what you mean. What is so difficult for you? Please be able to elaborate and do tell me what you mean. Yes. Let me just hope I hit this money because it will look weird if I tell you guys I've been like, I'm aiming for 20. I don't even reach 15. Eh? To be so weird. To be so weird. Because I feel like I came in with a lot of energy. I don't know what's happening. A lot of energy and a lot of hope and a lot of everything. A lot of everything. Anyway, let us keep going. Let us keep going. I feel like when we reach 12,000, oof, you see what it is doing to us. After me promising people how much of how I was like, I'm going to show my skills, I'm going to show off. The market is like, not today, girl. You're not showing up today. Guys, those who are joining me for the first time, thank you so much, guys. It really, really, I don't know if I've said it enough. I don't know if I've said it enough. I don't know why, how. Have you tried to do some research about it? Have you tried to do some research about it, James, and see? Have you tried to ask people like, why is it not working out like for you? Have you tried? Please try asking if you have anyone you know. Try asking because I've not yet created my Telegram. Maybe we could interact a few and you tell me about it. Maybe I guide you here and there. Just in a few minutes, actually, I'm going to be able to pin it. Maybe we can talk there. Just stick around. Just stick around. Hi, PK. So, guys, like I've been saying, I've not yet said it so much how much I appreciate your love, how I appreciate your support, how I appreciate your company, you guys. I do really appreciate it. I feel like every time you hear me saying thank you for subscribing, thank you, I do mean it. I do mean it when I say it. I do really, really mean it. Okay. Someone who I had promised to show my indicators, here they are. It was moving averages you wanted to see. Here they are. I'm sorry, here. Ocean here. So they are simple moving averages, set to 10, and here. Okay. Hmm. I don't know about it. I don't know about. I don't know. Okay. Okay, if you think so. Um. Uh, okay, let's proceed. So, that's what you wanted to see. Moving averages. Okay, let us keep going. Someone has been like, exactly when to buy and when to sell, as in what point exactly do you hit sell and buy. I think I've been okay. I'm going to explain it so much. I'm going to explain it so much. Good for you, throwback tales. Good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for elaborating a little bit because I also know a lot of people. Me, basically, I've not yet been here saying I'm going to put in a lot of effort. I'm going to make like 100K, what and what. But personally, I know people who are really, really making good money out of the platform, really, really good money, who are full-time traders. Because for me, I'm not a full-time trader, but I really know people who are full-time traders who do it for a living and they make really good money. So I don't know about you. I'm sorry about that. I don't know about you.
City don't sleep, but I dream in pain. Concrete cries when it rains again. Still I rise, still I chase the flame. Write my life in the corner lanes. Da 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 da. Write my life in the corner lanes.
to the penthouse, trust still the same soul, just aged and rough. Every night I reflect, no regrets, just proof that the pain made a king out of reckless youth. So I speak for the block, for the lost, for truth, for the dreamers building heaven under cracked roof. Yeah. We wrote our names in the concrete. Now they read them like scriptures. Every scar, every rhyme. That's the price of survival. Corner Chronicles. Forever. Forever.
Yeah, it's that late night reflection where pain turned poetry and the streets still whisper your name. Brooklyn spirit, worldwide hunger. This one's for the dreamers digging diamond out of the pit. Let's talk about hey.
Born in the chaos where hope wore handcuffs, dreams get tied, every breath cost us. Mama cooking prayers, trying to stretch one crust, while the landlord knock with the same old thrust. Fiends on the curb, talk about better days. Hustlers on the grind, trying to dodge their graves. I was young, scribbling rhymes in them alleyways, seeing cops raid blocks like a shadow play. Had a heart full of hunger, mind full of plots, pocket full of change, but my faith ain't right. Street to the pain, that's the price I got. Turn lost to lessons, turn dust to sky. Through the sky, through the fire, I still find light. City bleed dreams in the dead of night. Every scar's a line that defines my fight. Ashes and ambition, I'm still alright. Through the fire, I still find light. City bleed dreams in the dead of night. Every scar's a line that defines my fight. Ashes and ambition, I'm still alright.
Now I'm cruising past corners that still breathe ghosts. Old faces and murals, I raise my toast to the ones that fell, to the lives they wrote. We the ink, we the page, we the antidote. I seen kids trade books for a pack and scale. Seen heaven hide deep in a cell block tale. The preacher said, faith don't fail, but when the rent due, even angels bail. I remember them nights with a pen and a lighter, plotting my escape, dreaming bigger, tighter. Now the stage got lights, but the flame burn brighter.
Guys, like I said today, my network is messy. My internet is so messy. I'm always restarting every after like 10 seconds. Every after like 10 seconds. So someone is like, what platform are you trading on? My platform is Pocket Options. Yeah. Okay. So,
Now success got taste, but it came with
all
a price.
right.
Love turn heavy when the bag get close.
When do you always come online? I'm always online from
Cameras post,
I'm
mama
always
used to
online
hide the
from
pain
like
in the cell block. Them cold nights, hunger
how
forced
can I
me
say
to
it? For
face
those
the
in
odds.
Dubai, for those in
Felt like
Dubai,
hope side was
I'm
dying.
always online
Ain't lost hope,
from
just switch my stock.
7 to 9.
Need a
For
message
those
in
East
case I
Africa,
fall
what
apart.
another thing I want to say that East African time I'm always live from 6 to 8.
Crown, but the
I think
pain won't
that's
last.
so much knowledge
Sharper than a
about
blade,
time is I'm so
sharper than
conversant
a
with.
blade.
So that is it's 6 to 8 East African time and 7 to 9 for those in UAE. So maybe you can try to compare to that and see. Yes, please. Hi, Throwback. How are you?
Struggle.
Thank you so much for joining. Guys, today I don't think I'm going to hit the target like I had promised myself.
Ashes and
I'm not going to
ambition.
hit the target like I had promised myself because our time is not so against it's so against us. But let us keep going. Let us keep going. Let us keep going.
Yeah.
Right.
You would feel the weight of your city on your shoulders.
Okay. Let us go. Let us go. Who's here to see me hit the 10K? Who's here? I mean, who's here to see me hit the 20K? If you like, guys, like I said, people have been, if you've been here, I've been like, I'm going to hit 20K. I'm going to make sure I hit 20K. I don't know, guys, if I'm really going to hit it. Like I was promising myself, I don't know if I'm going to hit it, but let me just keep on going. Let me just keep on going. Okay, let us just keep on going. Hi, James. How are you? Hi, you. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate it. Okay. Like I said, guys, if you're on here, if you're always on here, and if you do want to use the same platform like I'm doing, do not hesitate, please. Do not hesitate to go to my description. You're going to find a link, and yeah. So someone, I feel like, okay, someone is like, please explain it. Okay. So with my strategy, this basically this is it. What I do, my indicators show me how the trend is going. So when you look at the trend, I always use support and resistance. So I'm always going to look at it until I'm going to look at the trend. So if it is moving upwards, I'm always waiting it to reach as a resistance level, because I'm very sure after reaching a resistance, like I think my indicators here show you, after reaching a resistance level, I'm 100% sure that it is going to bounce back down. So after it reaches a resistance level, before when it reaches that level, before it bounces back down, that is when I'm going to buy. You understand? I mean, that's when I'm going to sell. And when it comes to back, when it's going down, I know I'm going to reach a support level, and that's when I'm going to. Sorry, I'm mixing it up. I'm sorry. I'm mixing it up. Let me repeat it for you again. Let me do repeat it for you again. I'm going. Sorry about that. Okay, let me repeat it for you. So I look at my market very well as I follow my indicators. So I know when it goes up, I know it's going to reach a resistance level, and I'm going to have to sell. Like it will have to bounce back down, and I know it is going to bounce back down, and I'm going to be able to sell. You understand? So my indicators just show me to show how the trend is going. People be like, you cannot use the support and resistance, what and what, but every time frame has, even though you're using 5 seconds, even anything you're using, it is always having the support level. Maybe that's 1 hour, it really has. So you just wait it to reach a resistance level, then you sell. And when it's going down, you know it's going to reach a support level, and then you're going to buy. It is going to bounce back up, and then you're going to buy. So my indicators just show me how it is going to move. It reaches a level, then I see my mouse. I don't know if you guys can see my mouse, my cursor, it reaches up, then I'm going to sell. And I know when it comes back down, it's going to bounce back up. At that point is when I'm going to buy. Yeah, that is how it works. So basically, my indicators just show me. I feel like if you look closely, they show you very well that here, then now it's on a level, it's on a resistance level, it's going to bounce back down. It's on a resistance support level, it's going to bounce back up. My indicators show very well. Yeah, what is my trading time? Hi Samuel, how are you? My trading time is 30 seconds. I hope you see that. Hi Ritish, hi Afe, hi, how are you? Okay, let us keep going. Let us focus. Let us focus. I feel like when I explain, I lose focus on the trade. Then I begin talking. I forget that we do have a target to reach. I don't know about that. Let's go. Let us go. Let us go. Okay, guys. Guys, thank you so much for the subscriptions. Thank you so much for the love. Like it has been now like a week, and all I was saying, guys, subscribe to the channel. Let us hit 1,000 subscribers. Let us do this, which is very, very. Someone's like trade for 5 minutes. Just stick around because every day we do have. Okay. every day we do have a different time frame. There is sometime where you're going to find us trading 1 minute, sometime when you're going to find us trading 5 minutes, sometimes 15 seconds, sometimes 45, sometimes 2. Darling, my target today is I'm even scared to talk to say it. My target today was 20,000. My target today was 20,000. I don't know about it. I don't know how it is going, guys. You tell me how it is going because I feel like I don't know. I don't know if we're making it there. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, that is a good one. I don't know how we're making it. I feel like when we are moving on very very well. When we reach 12,000, darling, it became it became the opposite. We were on and off, on and off. But let's keep going. Someone is like moving averages. What do you want to see? Do you want to see my settings, my moving average settings? Is that what's okay? Finally, we are at 15. Finally, we are at 15. Thank you so much. Yes, to you too. Finally we are at 15. We've been lagging around 12, 12, 12 for some time. We've been lagging around 12 for some time. But now I feel like okay. Okay, now yeah. Now I feel like we are 15. 15 is okay. So let's see. Okay, Ocean. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Someone helping me in the comment section. Thank you so much. Hi, Mark. How are you? Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Feels so good. All right. I think now it is. There is some light somewhere somehow. I was really worried. I was like, are we going to hit the 20K? Because I feel like I have less than 20 minutes to go. I'm at 12,000. I'm not moving away from there. Uh, okay. Let us keep going. Let us keep going. Someone is like, but what she has explained and what she's doing. Like I told you, darling, I told you for me, when it comes to this little minutes, it is kind of easy for me to predict. Like I've been telling you, it is easy for me to predict. That's why when I set my time to less, like 15, 16, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, it is easy for me to predict. It is easy. I don't know about you. Okay, I will not say it is very, very easy for me, but it's easy. That's why I told you I so much focus on my indicator. I so much focus on my strategy when I'm using, let's say, from 1 minute upwards. But when it comes to the less minutes, that's when I'm focusing so much on only my indicators. That is all. I focus so much on my indicators. Like here, so you're seeing I'm having a downtrend here. That's why I'm like, I'm going to keep on buying until it hits, you understand, until it hits that support level. You understand? Like I've told you, for me it is easier to predict, and that's why I told you when it comes to this 30, 15 seconds, what and what, I so much use my indicators. And when it comes to like 1 minute, that's why I'm focusing so much on on the support and resistance. I've told it to you. I've been saying it for some time. I don't know about you, but that's what I've been explaining to you. Okay, hi Mukisa, how are you? Thank you so much for joining. Hi Emmanuel, thank you so much for joining. Feels so good. Feels so good to have each and every one of you here. Like you see here, I expected it to hit a breakout point and then come back down. So, and I've sold. So hope you're okay. Hi Sanjay, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Feels so good to have you again here today. Again, I've been asking myself, where is he? I've not yet seen him. I've not yet seen him. Okay. I've not yet seen him. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Yes, I trade on weekends because I trade OTC. OTC is open 24/7. So yes, I do trade on weekends. Like I said, I do trade every day. Unless otherwise. So if you see me trading on weekend and it's not OTC, that's when I think you have to question. But if you see me trading OTC, of course I'm trading on weekends. So yeah, sometimes I do trade gold, sometimes I trade Brent oil, but it's always OTC. Yeah, for other pairs, I think some of them are closed on weekend, but OTC is always open. It's always open 24/7. Yep, yep. Okay, let us go. Let us go now. I'm focusing on the time. I feel like I'm so time bad. I feel like I'm so time bad. Okay. So yep. Let us buy here. Let us buy. Okay. Let us buy and see how this one goes. So someone is like, what is my strategy? Like for now, I'm only using my indicators, but my everyday strategy is support and resistance. It just depends on what time frame I have and what trading time I've set. Yeah, and that is it. Oh, that was not a good one. Let me see how this one is moving. Let me see how this one is moving. Guys, I'm back again to 14,000. I'm back again to 14. Oh my god. I'm back again to 14. Yeah, I've been having us. I realized that. I'm back again to 14. Let me wait it for it to go up. Okay, here, let me sell. It's coming back up. All right. Back again to 14. Oh no. Anyway, let us keep going. Let us keep going. Now, I'm what? I'm on tension kind of. I feel like my time is very, very elapsing. It's so against me. And okay, we are now at 15. Let's just say, let us just say, let us just hope it gets better. But I feel like we're time bad. Okay. Alright. So I feel like my indicator. So guys, you can see my indicator shows you now you're having an uptrend. What you're going to do is to buy if you're having an uptrend before it reaches a level where it's going to bounce back down, and then you have to sell. It shows you for quite some time. Someone is like, please, about, like I said, my indicators just help me to show me how the market is moving. Is it moving up? Is it moving up? So of course I've been knowing when it moves up it's going to hit another level where I'm going to where it's going to bounce back down. Then if it's moving up I'm going to be selling. I'm going to be buying, and when it moves down I'm going to be selling. So because now it's going to be moving back down, it's going to show you that market is now moving back. You see it's now showing you sell because it's moving back down. And then when it begins moving back up, it's just still going to show you now it's going up. I basically that is it. That's why I'm like it is easy for me to predict when it is this small time frame. For me it is easier than the long ones. No, my indicators do not predict do not predict what I'm going to. They just show me, like guys have been saying, they just show me how the trend is moving. They do not tell me predict. They do not tell me to predict because they don't show the in. They don't show the what. They don't show the future. They only show what has happened already. So they do not predict the future for you. That's why I don't say that. I'm using my indicators to say I'm going to buy or sell. They don't show the future, they only show the past. Like you observe here, they're not going beyond what is shown. Okay. Oh, 16. 16, all right. Not so bad. No, that's not so bad. Still a down. Okay, I think it's going to bounce back up from here. Yeah, it did. Let us go. Like guys, I said, I just look for the resistance level, and I know when it reaches the resistance level, it's going to bounce back. I mean, when it reaches the support level, it's going to bounce back up, and when it reaches the resistance level, it's going to bounce back down. So, yeah, easily. So that will show you: is it moving upwards? Is it moving down? Do I buy? Do I sell? No, I don't have a WhatsApp group yet, but I'm just going to pin my what? Okay, we are 16. That is great. We've been at Trove for the longest time possible, for over like 40 minutes. Hi Mima, how are you? Hi everyone. So let us go. Let us go. Okay, let's see how this one goes. Let me just see which level. Okay. Let us keep going. Let us keep going. Oh my god. I feel like I'm now beginning to panic a little bit. I don't know why. Okay. Okay. Actually, I think I've seen a lot. Do you people really get me? I'm not going to lie. I've not yet gotten any withdrawal issues when it comes to pocket options. Though I've seen a few complaints here and there about withdrawals, but for me, I've not. I've not yet. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about you, but for me personally, I've not yet gotten them. Though yes, I've seen the complaints about the withdrawal issues when it comes to pocket. I've seen them. I've seen them. You're not the first person who has talked about the issues when it comes to pocket. You're not the only one. Okay. All right. Let us see how it goes, guys. We are time bad. All right, 17, guys. I so much wanted to hit that target, but I feel like today I've not been able to do it. I've not been able to hit it. I think with a difference of over like 3,000. But still, I'll not say I don't appreciate how far I've gone. Yes, because if you're here, you know realize that our first amount was 1,000. Though yes, I so badly wanted to hit the 20k, but I have failed to hit it. I have failed to hit it. But anyway, guys, hope next time better. I'll just stay hopeful. I will just stay hopeful. Yes, we have failed. We try again tomorrow, guys. We are really out of time. But guys, it was so lovely, lovely, lovely to have each and everyone today. Those who have been seeing me for the first time, guys, on your screen, I'm Brianna. Yes, I'm Brianna. All I do here is binary trade options. I mean, binary options trading. And our trading pair today was Brent Oil OTC. Our time today we are set to 30 seconds. Though most of the times, if you're always here, you realize that, like, I actually had promised that when we reach 17,000, I'm going to be able to switch to 1 minute trading. I thought it would be easier, or we would reach there easier. We would reach there is easier, but like we failed to reach there on time. We failed to reach there on time, but it is okay. We try again tomorrow. We try again tomorrow, guys. I'm Brianna over here, and we are always live each and every day, unless we are sick, unless something wrong happened, but we are always live, guys. Always live, unless something has happened. And we do binary trading. It is always over the counter what we are trading. That's why we are able to do that's why we are able to what? To trade each and every day. It was an honor to have you here. Yes, thank you guys. Some people are like, yes, you've done so well. Thank you so much for the encouragement. We shall see again tomorrow. When we'll come tomorrow, same time, that is 6 to 8 East African time. And those in UAE, you can do 7 to 9. Yes, 7 to 9. That is when we are live. So, okay, guys, let me just withdraw this money and let me just add it to myself, and I'll see you again. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that, Vincent. I'm sorry about that. But it is okay. Someone is like, what time do I come online? I come online. The link is in my description, but the link is in my description. You can try to check it out. What time I come online? That is always 6. Yes, 6 to 8 East African time. So we're always live for 2 hours. Yes, guys. So today we failed to hit our target, but still we've done good. We've done good from where we've come from. We've done good. So I hope to see you guys again tomorrow. Those who are having a night, have a good night. And those who are having a day, have a good day. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Those who are new here, do not hesitate to subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribing. Those who are live. No, it's not GMT, it is East African time. That is adding, I think, add 3 hours to GMT. Yeah, add 3 hours to GMT. Yes, please. Yeah, it is 6 plus 3 hours GMT. Yeah, okay. So, you guys, I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a good night. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hi. People are just joining right now as